Alright, so we're back for another episode of Driveway here. And today, since I'm struggling around with the fuel thing and losing my tape measure and all that type of stuff, I decided to find something real quick to do here, just for a little bit of fun and break from the grind here. So let's just go and check what I found on Amazon this week. Alright, well, since I was scrolling through the old Amazon there, I found something that'd be a great addition to the vehicle, and that's this little guy. So, I found that for pretty darn cheap, and he looked kind of cool, and he came in a good gold that should kind of match our little bit of accents that we're going with the gold brakes and that type of stuff. So we're gonna throw this cheap little guy in here for a shifter ball. So it did come with 3 different sleeves for different size shafts. We've got the biggest one, and we are going to throw this guy on. It also has the 3 set screws, but these are kind of set up for if you have a soft shaft, like maybe so maybe you have like an aluminum shifter or a mild steel, but unfortunately ours is a bolt, so that's going to be extremely hard, and these set screws aren't going to be able to dig in like they should. So what we're going to do is throw him on where he belongs. We're going to set the set screws down, and then we're going to come in with a small drill bit and dimple that shaft so the set screws have something to grab onto so it won't rotate and slide off. So we got the little shifter ball on there. We're just going to crank down the set screws to mark that sleeve, and then we can run the drill bit. Well, since drilling a round shaft isn't the easiest problem, we'll cure it with the death wheel. Alright, so with the groove kind of sliced in there, it should kind of make a quasi-triangle, which would make it a lot less likely for it to rotate. So we can shove this thing back on. And then we can just crank it on for good. Alright. Yeah, that is on solid. Alright, let's get a good look in here. That looks pretty good. And that little guy is not going anywhere. That should work. Nice short throw. I'm gonna yank out this e-brake here, because we're going to do something different for the handbrake part. So let's just yank that out of there. Alright, so that's one e-brake handle out. So we don't need that. We'll put that in the parts list of stuff that I can hopefully sell off. Maybe recoup a little bit of the cost that I've blown on this entire car, which is way too much. But yeah. Anyways, that's it for today. Nice and short. There's going to be quite a few more little things, because as you get going in these big projects towards the end, all that you have are little things, and your macro building is no longer a thing. Because we've got the engine in, it's all plumbed up. We got the transmission in, rear end's in. We're still going to have to send out those axles to be built. So yeah. Alright, well, I'm gonna update our list of things to do and see what we have when we come back next time. So thanks again for always watching. Those of you that haven't watched much, make sure you subscribe and sign up to see a little more of this junk. Because we got a short time before Rocky Mountain Race Week, and we're probably going to need a good month time frame just to be safe to send out those axles to be built. So, I guess I will get cracking on some more of this stuff and hopefully get more videos rolling out shortly. See you guys later.